So the next couple of videos I'm going to focus on solo ads, King, some different types of methods to get traffic. So if we go to, let's show you something here. If I can, oh, it's happening here. It's going not what I want it to do. Goodness. Yeah. Right, if we can get the screen to work. We might just type in calculator. These computers, I've never got them on it. So let's just see if we can calculator online or something. It's still not doing what I want it to do. So go to Google and we'll type in calculator. So here it is. So you might you might set up a Google Ads account to try and get traffic. So you really have to be spending really $20 a day, and you really need to know a wee bit about keywords as well. You may waste your money. You'll get a keyword that costs $3, or you might find something that's really inexpensive, a keyword, say it's 30 cents or something, but that might not get traffic. You really have to know what you're doing. But even if you do, you'll be spending $20 a day, or you really have to. So over the 7 days, that's $140, and that's just a week. And then over a month, it's like $500 and things like that. So it's and you'll get a lot of freebie seekers, and that's probably where the cheap clicks will come from. And you also would need a landing page, which you'd probably know if you're watching this video. It's something like this. If I just put that in, I've not copied it, that's what I've not done. So when you go there and then you click, you get a click and it's added to your list. So what makes this site quite good, that they're doing it all for you. So if you go to order solo ads, well, here it's here. So that is 100 unique clicks. It's 95% tier 1. So what that means is, as far as we know just now, tier 1 countries, or the top countries, is the UK, US of A, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. And that's Singapore's in there because they bring a lot of money from marketing and training and things. So they are tier 1 countries. So you're getting 95% from those countries. So 5 of those clicks that you'll receive it won't be. So that's still a really good price. But testing an offer 300 is quite good, and you're paying only $160, and then you can get 500, 1,000, 1,750, or if you want more than that, you have to you can put in custom clicks. And then this is red hot traffic. This is 100% from the countries I mentioned, so you're only paying a wee bit extra for that. So the advantage with this type of traffic, you don't have to do the guesswork, or how am I going to get traffic, would these keywords work. That this company that I deal with it and buy traffic from, that they're sending an email, your email, your link to their list, and the experts in email marketing. So you're not guaranteed sales, of course, or a percentage of the opt-ins. You'll get 30 to 40%, for clicks. So all you have to do is really purchase, and you'll get clicks to your link, and you don't have to really work anything out. So this is my first kind of video. I've done one before, but I'm going to focus on the three different traffic methods that they've got. So if you want to click the link, then get traffic, build your list, and make money, and that's what it's really all about. So do that today and you won't be disappointed. Bye bye for now.